Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change language on Facebook. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Facebook. Once you open Facebook, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top right, and then you need to click on settings and privacy, and here you need to click on language option, that is at the last. Click on that option, and here you can see the option of edit. Click on that option, and here you can see a drop down. Click on that. You can find different languages. So let's suppose I want English UK. Click on that option. You can select any language according to your choice, and then you need to click on save changes, and then your language will be changed on Facebook. So this is the process by which you can change language on Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.